Installing Blocksy theme is done from the WordPress repository. In my WordPress installation, which is brand new, if I go to Appearances and Themes, we'll get the regular default themes that WordPress install, and this will also depend a lot upon which host you use, as they often add themes here or remove certain themes. This default installation brings in 2025. To add Blocksy theme, select Add Theme. In the Search Themes box, look for Blocksy. And there can only be one. Hover over it, you can preview it, we select Install. This process is quick and painless, and once installed, select Activate. Within the Themes panel, your other themes will appear, but they will be deactivated and Blocksy is activated. As with any other theme, you access the customizer, going to Appearance and then Customize here in the navigation sidebar on the left, and that takes you into the Blocksy customizer. The customizer gives you all the tools that you need to set up your website. We'll exit here. However, it's very important that you do consider installing the Blocksy companion, which will give you additional features like starter sites and pro and free add-ons that you can use with Blocksy.